In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in Google Vids. Whether you're editing a video for work, school, or just for fun, knowing how to emphasize certain text can really make your message stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. You can do this easily by heading over to the Google workspace and selecting Google Vids from the available applications. Google Vids is a fantastic tool for editing and creating videos, offering a variety of features to make your video content engaging and professional. Once you're on the Google Vids page, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose an account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that you want to use for creating or editing your Google vid. It's important to use an account you're comfortable with, as this will be where your video projects are saved. After you've selected your Google account and signed in, you're ready to start working on your video. On the Google Vids dashboard, you'll see your existing projects, or you can opt to start a new project. Opening or creating a project will bring you to the video editor interface. Now let's get to the crux of our tutorial, making text bold in your video. In your project, navigate to the scene or part of the video where you want to add bold text. You might have placeholder text, or maybe you're adding new text to your video. Click on the text box in your scene to select it. Once selected, you'll be able to edit the text. To highlight the text, you'll need to click and drag your mouse over the words that you want to make bold. This action selects the text, making it ready for formatting changes. If you want to select all the text within a text box, a quick double click can do the trick as well. With your text highlighted, it's time to apply the bold formatting. Look towards the ribbon or toolbar in Google Vids. This is where you'll find formatting options, including the bold icon. It usually looks like a bold B. Click on this icon to apply the bold formatting to your selected text. And just like that, your text is now bold. This simple but effective change can make certain words or phrases stand out, drawing your audience's attention exactly where you want it. Bold text can be particularly useful for emphasizing key points, titles, or calls to action in your videos. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when working with text in Google Vids. Experiment with different font styles and colors alongside bold formatting to make your text even more dynamic. Remember to preview your video after making changes to ensure that the bold text appears as expected on different screens and resolutions. Use bold text sparingly. While it's a great tool for emphasis, too much bold text can overwhelm viewers and dilute the impact of your key messages. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of making text bold in Google Vids. Take this knowledge and experiment with how you can use text to enhance your video projects. Whether you're creating a presentation, a tutorial, or even a personal story, bold text can help you communicate more effectively with your audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Keep practicing your new skills and don't hesitate to explore more of what Google Vids has to offer. Happy creating!